Squad, it's T here, and Valentine's Day is around the corner. Do you guys have your Valentine's Day box prepared? If not, I'm gonna show you a really cute DIY to make your own Valentine's Day box with fidget puppets. For this DIY, you're gonna need some cute crafting supplies like pom-poms, pipe cleaners that you can get at Dollar Tree. They have lots and lots of them. You're also gonna need some poppets. They have these at the Dollar Tree in different sizes, small and jumbo. But if they don't have any poppets at Dollar Tree, you can always make your own DIY poppets. Go back and look at our other videos to figure out how to do so. But remember to look around when you're at Dollar Tree because they have a giant craft section full of cute little crafting supplies. Okay, also the last thing you're going to need, and it's very important, is a box. I got this box from Hobby Lobby. It's like pre-made, but if you don't want to buy your own box, you can use a shoe box and wrap it with some wrapping paper. All right, let's get started. First, you're going to plug in your glue gun to heat it up, and don't forget your glue sticks. All right, I'm going to write on this box first. There we have it, XOXO. Now it's time to put on our poppers. These things are so cute. I have a cute heart, a t-shirt, and a pineapple. I mean, listen, you guys. And then we're gonna put this here. I'm just gonna flip it like that. Put the t-shirt here and the heart here. Then I'm going to add some pom-poms. We're gonna do this here. And I feel like we're gonna put this in the corner. Let's do that like that. We're just going to add this at the bottom. And let's add some here. And a little wiggly here. To put some glue on this pineapple. And glue it down. And voila, super cute, but we're not done yet. We definitely have to decorate the side of the boxes. And so I feel like I'm just gonna put more pom-poms and swirly things on there. So I'm just gonna turn this side and I'm just gonna start adding random things. Still playing around with how I want this. Wait a minute, I have the greatest idea. Look at the cutest fidget here. So here I have two ribbons. Let me just like pull it out. Not ribbons, I'm sorry, pipe cleaners. And I'm just gonna pull this one out also. And then I'll just like kind of twist them together a little bit. And then I'll just like put them on top, like right here. I'm just gonna put some glue here, some glue here. Cute. And I'm just gonna glue everything else down. What do you guys think? I think so far so good. We have 3 more sides to decorate, so let's do that. Time to glue on more poppets, but first let's check it out. Just gotta get creative with it. We're just gonna stick poppets on every corner. And we're gonna add pom-poms and the pipe cleaners. Just sticking random things on. Now onto the other side. All done! My Valentine's Day fidget poppet box is complete. What do you guys think? Let's take a look. We have the top and we have the front. And we also have the back. We have one side and the other side. What do you guys think? I'm all ready for Valentine's Day. Okay, you guys, that's the end of today's DIY. Make sure you follow us on our TikTok and our Instagram for more fidget fun. And always remember to dream big, have fun, and be kind. Bye!